Here I am again. I just poured some strawberries into a bowl, and I'm gonna re-vacuum seal this mason jar so it'll stay longer in the refrigerator. What I do is I use a clean towel, as you can see, and wipe the rim and around the edges so the jar seal will seal itself once it's being vacuumed. I make sure it's nice and dry all inside and around the edges. Then take the same lid that I had used before, put it on. This is the wide mouth jar sealer adapter. You put it on top. Okay. Then I put this on. Well, I can turn it on first. And when I put it on moist right here. See, it's on moist. Let me zoom in so you can see. Then I put the adapter into the hole. All models are very different. This is the model that they gave me because that's another different story. But anyway, it's the one that I have right now. Press this because this one says, and that's how it feels. There you go. Now what I do is I take this off. It's hard to do when you only have one hand. Twist it. There you go. I took it off. Then remove this without holding the jar. Ugh, it's a pain in the butt. Let me see if I can put it in. I really need a... There you go. There. And it's sealed. Look at that. It's sealed. And now I put the regular lid on and put it back in the refrigerator.